I'm going to walk you guys through the process. This actually works. It's super insane. So just keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to play Camp Buddy on iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I got the full game. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So all you have to do is go to tweakmod.com, search it up, press install, and it will start downloading. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step to get it. What you got to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and this should install Camp Buddy into your phone. So yeah, it's really cool, guys. A lot of people came at me and were like yelling at me. They were like, how do you play? So I just thought I would make a little video showing you guys how to get Camp Buddy on your phone, just so you guys can like stop asking me how to get it. But yeah, basically you just want to download 2 of these apps from the app store to finish the download. You can see it says complete 2 free apps, so you don't have to do all of them. But like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. World Winner, you gotta search something up. So just do 2 of them, guys, then you'll have Camp Buddy on your phone. I can't open it because of the content, but you know, guys, it's a great game, so be sure to try it out as a video. But yeah, super cool, guys. So if you want to play Camp Buddy on your phone, definitely try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, it's super wild. Totally legit, bro. It's very nice to enjoy it, and a lot of people do enjoy it. So I'm going to tell you guys that there's real world for Camp Buddy downloads. A lot of people looking for it. So get the word out, guys. Super unique.